Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Khazana. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet snowflake ornament for Christmas tree decoration. For this, I am using 3.5 mm crochet hook. Let's begin the video. First, make a magic circle. Then make a chain. To start our first row, make 8 single crochet in the magic ring. Make a slip stitch in the first single crochet. To start our row 2, make a puff stitch in the same stitch. Pull up the yarn over, insert the hook, pull up the yarn over, insert and pull up 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yarn over, pull through all loops, then make a chain of 4. Single crochet in the puff stitch, chain 4, single crochet in the puff stitch, chain 4, single crochet in the puff stitch, then chain 2. In the next stitch, make a puff stitch, chain 4, single crochet in the puff stitch, chain 4, single crochet in the puff stitch, chain 4, single crochet in the puff stitch, chain 2. Continue to make 6 more puff stitches in the next 6 stitches. Make a puff stitch in the next stitch, chain 4, single crochet in the puff stitch, chain 4, single crochet in the puff stitch, chain 4, single crochet in the puff stitch. Continue like this in the next 5 stitches, chain 2 and slip stitch in the base. Make a chain and cut the yarn. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe and thanks for watching.